Ralph, explain us how your system, which displays Arduino, works.
Okay, basically I just tried to make a circuit that would display some simple letters in sequence, and I found online how to reduce the amount of pins for the Arduino through multiplexing. This is the schematic in order to reduce the pins from an original 14 for the 7 segments to 9 for the 2 individual ground pins. So one ground pin can control one of these 7-segment displays, and it will totally not interfere with the other 7-segment display, even though they're connected in the same series. So
Great. So we'll just then fast switch between the numbers.
yeah.
And you can continue adding more displays just with another pin, another display.
Yeah. The only thing that changes that they don't have in common is the ground. They have separate grounds.
So show us your code.
Okay. This is the code that I had here, initializing each of the pins to the Arduino pins. So I have them as pins 1 through 7, and the individual grounds 1 and 2.
Great.
I also have a timer here
Okay.
for the amount of time it would take for each individual, I call them slides, but individual slides to filter through. I also put them for outputs, set the loops, had them for initializing, initialize I to 0 and have it be less than the timer and increase it. And doing that, I would have it display the pin outs. So this one would represent 0 being off, so pin 1 would be off, and the ones that would be on would be, say right here, ground 2 would be on. So this one is for the 7-segment display on the right, and this represents an empty box. And this one here on the second one, the pin 1 is on, so pin 1 is the bottom left-hand side of the 7-segment display. And you can see that if you connect these 1s and 0s, you can create a number or letter, as I have done. So,
and the switching and the multiplexing is every 5 microseconds.
yes.
Great. This is a very good implementation of the multiplexing. Suggest you expand it with adding more displays, so to have maybe entire word Arduino, because next time for every display we only need one more ground. Every new display. Great job.
Thank you.